Hello, children. How are you all doing today? I'm so happy to be here with you once again. Yes, this is Miss Faith. You're welcome to our numeracy class. How are you all doing? Hope you're safe. Hope you've been washing your hands regularly or using the hand sanitizer. Hope you've been helping mommy in cleaning the house, using the sanitizer, disinfecting surfaces in the house. All right, it's good to be here. Yes, I got your worksheets and some of you really crunched the numbers. I'm happy about that. Yes, and some still struggled with the addition. It's okay. You will get better and better with constant practice, okay? Good. All right, let's move on into today's lesson. We're going to continue with solving for missing parts in an addition number sentence. Okay, and this is the missing addend. Good. Let's continue. So today we want to solve for missing addend in word problems, in story problems. Now, what do we do first when we read a story problem? What do we do first when we read a story problem? Number one, we read and think. Number one, we read and think. Number two, we circle the numbers. We circle the numbers. Number three, we underline the question. Number four, you box the actions. Number five, you eliminate distractions. That means you remove whatever is not important to the problem or to the story. You remove it. That's eliminate. You remove distractions. Remove whatever may be confusing to you in the story. And then number six, you solve and check. So let's go over it again. Number one, you read and think. Oh, what am I to do? What am I supposed to do? How am I going to solve this problem? That means you're thinking. Then number two, you circle the numbers you've been given in the story problem. Number three, you underline the question. Number four, you box the actions. That means you should know what to do by now. Number five, eliminate distractions. Remove whatever is confusing, whatever you don't understand, or whatever makes the story problem look confusing, or whatever is not necessary or important in the story, you remove it. Then you solve and check. Okay, let's go on. So let's read the story. There are 8 kids at a party. Who loves party? Yes, I love parties. There are 8 kids at the party. 5 ate cake. The rest ate ice cream. How many ate ice cream? How many ate ice cream? Yes, there are 8 kids at the party. Now you've read the story. Think. How am I going to solve this problem? Now you circle the numbers. We circle the numbers. So the numbers are 8 and 5. So I've circled the numbers. Now you underline the question. How many ate ice cream? That's the question. How many ate ice cream? Now you box the action. That means you write out the number sentence like this. So 8 kids, that's what we know. We know there are 8 kids, right? 8 kids. That's the sum. That's the sum. So that comes here. See it? 8 kids. That's the sum of all the kids at the party. 5 ate cake. The 5 that ate cake is the given addend. The 5 that ate cake is the given Addend. So we're told that the rest ate ice cream. Now, how many ate ice cream? Those are the number of children we want to know. That's the number that is missing. Like what we did in the first class, in our numeracy class, we used 10 frames, right? But here we don't have the 10 frames. So what do? We can draw circles. We can use our fingers, right? Okay, so let's use circles to remind ourselves of how to use the circle. Okay, so to get the missing Addend, what do? Remember, when you want to draw circles, you draw circles for the sum, for the whole number. You draw circles for the whole number. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 circles. Now what do? We're going to color 5 circles. Now let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many circles are empty? 3 circles are empty. 3 circles are empty. So our missing Addend is 3. So how many kids ate ice cream? 3 kids ate ice cream. So here, 5 plus 3 equals 8 kids. 8 kids. Very good. So that's it. If you want to use your fingers, you count up from 5 to get to 8. Now let's use our fingers. Let's count up from 5 to get to 8. Let's do that. So 5 in my mouth, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers do you have out there? 3 fingers. That's our answer. My mom has 6 cats. My mom has 6 cats. 3 of them are yellow and the rest of them are brown. How many are brown? First, we have read, and now let's think. Okay, what am I supposed to do? Let's circle the numbers. 6 and 3. My mom has 6 cats. So all the cats my mom has are how many? 6. So that is why this 6 is out here, because that is the sum of all the cats my mom has. 3 of them are yellow. That is the given Addend. And the rest of them are brown. How many are brown? How many are brown? I know that 3 of them are yellow. So I'm telling you that 3 of my mommy's cats are yellow and the rest are brown. So can you take a guess how many of my mommy's cats are brown? So we want to solve that problem. If we want to draw circles, which number are we going to draw circles for? Number 3 or number 6? Number 6. Remember I told you you're to make circles for the sum. You make circles for the whole number. Now let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When you make circles like this, what next do? You color the number of balls for the given Addend. What's the given Addend? 3. So we color 3 balls. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3. So how many balls are empty? How many balls are left uncolored? 3 balls. So our missing Addend is 3. Okay? If you want to use your fingers, you know what to do, right? You count up from the given Addend. What is the given Addend? 3. We count up from 3. So let's go 3 in my mouth, 4, 5, 6. How many fingers are you holding out? 3 fingers. So our missing addend is 3. Like I always tell you, whichever way is easier for you to count, use it. You'll still get the same answer if you use it properly. Good. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. Now, do you remember your double numbers? Good. 6 cats. Let's continue. Now here you're going to write out the numbers yourself. So let's read the story problem. 5 apples are on the table. 5 apples are on the table. 3 are green and the rest are red. How many apples are red? 5 apples are on the table. 3 are green and the rest are red. How many apples are red? Think. How many apples are red? What do we do first? Let's circle our numbers. What are the numbers we have? We have 5 and then we have 3. Good. So those are our numbers, and then we underline the question. The question is, how many apples are red? Okay? Now, 5 apples are on the table. How many apples are on the table? 5. So that 5 is our sum. That 5 is the number of all the apples we have on the table. So we write 5 here. That's the sum. Then we're told that 3 are green. 3 are green. That is our given addend. 3 are green. And the rest are red. How many are the rest? We don't know, right? So what do we do? You can count balls. You can count your fingers. Now, if you want to make balls, which number are you making balls for? You're making balls for 5. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, what do? We color 3 balls. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3. So how many balls do we have uncolored? How many balls? 2 balls. So our missing addend is 2. So how many apples are red? 2 apples are red. 2 apples are red. Now if you want to count with your fingers, what do? You count up from 3 to 5. When you get to 5, you stop. So let's go. 3 in my mouth, 4, 5. How many numbers did you count up to 5? 2 numbers. How many fingers do you have holding out there? 2 fingers. So our missing addend is 2. Okay, so now to the last story problem for today, so I can release you to go and solve your story problems in the worksheet sent to you. Carl has 9 cars. Carl has 9 cars. Some are green and some are yellow. 3 of Carl's cars are yellow. How many cars are green? How many cars are green? Carl has 9 cars. Some are green and some are yellow. 3 of Carl's cars are yellow. How many cars are green? First, what are the numbers there? The numbers are 9 and 3. Then we underline the question, how many cars are green? Okay, we are told that Carl has 9 cars. That is all the cars that Carl has The total number, the sum of all the cards that Carl has are 9. And we are told that 3 of the cards are yellow. So that's our given addend. 3 of the cards are yellow. How many cards are green? If we want to use balls, which number are we counting? Are we making balls for? Oh, number 9. Very good. So you get the gist now. 9. So we'll make 9 balls. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What next do we do? Yes, we color the balls. How many balls are we going to color? 3 balls, because that's our given addend. So let's go 1, 2, 3. How many balls are left uncolored? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balls are empty. So our missing addend is 6. So how many cards are green? 6 cards are green. Now if you want to use your fingers, you count up from 3 to 9. So 3 in my mouth, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many numbers did you count up to 9? 6 numbers. How many fingers do you have out there? 6 fingers. Very good. So the number of the green cards are 6. 6 green cards. Hope you had fun in today's class. I had fun. Yes, I had fun in today's class. I had fun in today's class. Okay, so worksheets have been sent as usual. Remember to work and keep practicing. So be good, stay safe. But before I say bye to you, can you see the scarecrow? Okay, so I want you to stand on one leg. Stand on one leg. Spread out your hands like the scarecrow. Close your eyes. Smile. And let's count up to 10. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, did you try to fall? Okay, so stand on one leg again and let's count back from 10 to 1. Let's do that. Spread out your hands, close your eyes and concentrate. Okay, so let's do it. Let's count back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off! Hope you had fun. Bye.